Is it starting? Okay. Welcome to Jackie's vlog, where here you watch her vlogging.
Another one? Get a head start on the second film festival already?
Welcome.
Hi Sam. Welcome to Saturday rehearsal.
Wow.
Miss Reagan brought munchkins. We love her for it. Say hello. Over here.
Welcome.
Yeah, these came in the mail yesterday.
That is me.
Throwback to JPAC when they made us get nude ones. Where do you need that for Alice?
Yeah.
For what?
For the character, yeah.
Here you will see this.
Can I take part of the video?
Sure.
Hi. Hi everyone. Hi kids. Hi. They're called stretching. So tell me, Jackie, how do you get this stuff on YouTube or whatever?
Well, I upload it to iMovie.
Okay, here, man.
The only one I'm qualified. What?
I am stretching my arm muscles when I eat munchkins.
True.
Hello.
Hi. This is our crew. Do you want a bagel? You want a piece of it?
Sure. Yeah,
there's bagels and cream cheese.
Awesome. Hi, Nate. This is our couch that we use for Morticia's scenes.
I'm sure everyone's so
This is Killian, which we use for our Lucas scenes.
Oh, so I'm well aware that your Family by and By got nominated for Best Documentary.
Yes!
Film Festival.
I'm so happy and honored.
Jackie's not recording.
It is? It is recording.
Yeah.
You just said it wasn't recording.
But then you said it is.
You said it wasn't recording, and I was like, no, it is. I hate Killian.
I see a minute of braiding hair in the
Okay,
next
you can
documentary.
You can cut it.
No, we'll keep going.
Where Lucas has to go like, Mom! Cause like I'm like being like embarrassing or whatever. But Killian never knows how to say it, so he just looks so angry when he says it. He's just like, Mom! Like really aggressively.
I had that one line and I got a note for it.
But like yesterday you were like,
Parents like coming to the school.
no, but like,
Is that what the video is gonna be called?
no, that's what you have to think of when you say the line.
Mom.
Yeah, like Mom, like. But yesterday he went, Mom.
Dude, do your best impersonation.
Of you?
Yeah.
That was
one.
you.
Nor. Back to one.
Mall.
Mall.
Nor. Ugh.
Oh, the
I
classics.
have to film you working with Fritz one day.
Why?
Because it's just so funny.
Okay.
Thank you, Nicole.
Oh, you're welcome.
No.
It's hard to see, it's dark, but don't worry, it's here.
One. Nor. Thank you. Oh, look at Grandma and Wednesday. Goals. Killian, move your...
Did you say Grandma Wednesday?
I said Grandma and Wednesday.
Oh.
Wednesday is a grandma. Oh no, she's cut. Alright. You want to say something?
Me too, Emma.
I like your shirt.
Thank you.
I was wearing that shirt yesterday.
Come see it. Lots of interviews from many different
We're doing a
people.
revival tour. What are you doing?
Reading lines. Ooh, I almost lost the page.
But love.
Let's not talk about anything. Oh, no.
Pan down.
That's so gross.
What did you do at rehearsal today? I stepped in
I stepped in the
I
garbage
never went to
can.
rehearsal. I was home.
Oh, it's Murphy. Oh, is it Murphy? Yeah.
Damn your lightning reflexes!
That's what I say to Mookie every Friday night.
Whoa.
Why do you even... No, you're not. You're my sister. Yeah.
Did she not just say?
Sister from another mister.
What's up? What's up? Everybody's favorite genie here.
I'm gonna
Excuse you.
in the tree.
They're painted. But I think it's got a nice color to it all.
I made that.
Did you? All by yourself?
No, all by myself.
Oh, it is recording.
I have the perfect idea for the vlog.
Get your meaty hands away from me.
No one is there. What are you waving at?
Hey, buddy.
Hey, buddy. I hope you
What that
found
mouth do?
I want to eat for that. Ew.
Take a cheese it.
Ew.
Banana beef you want.
I don't know if I've ever showed you guys this before, but this is Ralph. This is where we keep all our wooden stuff for the sets. And then we have a bunch of props over here. We have umbrellas and plates and forks and knives and a telephone. This is the sacred chalice that we use in full disclosure. Very good. And this is where we come out to go to stage.
No, I'm not. Look, they're empty.
No, it's literally not.
No, it's completely empty.
Why are you standing so far away from him?
No. Devo. You just found a bird right over there.
No, it's fine. It's just trapped in here.
Come on.
Oh my god. Do you see it, guys?
The bird wants to be in the show. Be free, birdie.
You're moving the piano.
I'm moving the piano. Watch. Yeah. Me too. We're making a lot of noise backstage because we're rebels and we don't give a shit.
Pay a call on the Addams family.